Hey, now look, before, I got some pointers for you.
Talk to me.
Don't put the weight down. Like if you need to rest, like just rest on your chest. Don't put the weight down. Do not sit up.
Okay.
Do not sit up.
Just stay where I'm at.
Yeah, if you get tired, just rest like this. Right. Take a couple seconds and keep knocking them out.
Okay.
All right. If you fucking drop the weights and sit up, you're just gonna fuck everything up.
It's gonna hurt.
That's my key point to see.
Hey, we back again, man. Back again with another Avalanche challenge. This time I got the good bro 30. Feel me? Y'all already know who the bro is. For those who've been keeping up, y'all already know who got the best time. We can keep that on the hush. So, you know what I'm saying? We ain't gotta explain too much. Bro going 15s, 20s, 25s, 30s. Y'all already know how we get down. Bro, you ready?
Yes, sir.
You ready? All right. As soon as you lay down and get started, the time going. So it's all on you now.
All right.
For your first press.
All right, down time.
Oh, stop. Oh, gosh.
Oh yeah, cranking them joints.
What time we at, Brody?
Okay, you making good pace.
Six.
Drop it. Drop it.
Got 4. One. Oh yeah. Yeah. 2. Come on. Oh. Settle down. You gotta climb back down the mountain. You went up top nice, but you gotta come back down.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
130. You had a minute and 30. Can you complete it under 5? Good Lord. Let's go. 1. Oh yeah, it's starting to swing them now. Come on. 2. Come on. 3. One more. Full lockout. 4.
You got steady bitch, but you can't pick
Drop
up
that
that.
bitch up.
Woo! 25.
Yep. You got 6. 1. Oh yeah. Come on. 2. Let that pre-workout get active. Come on. Lock that shit up. That one ain't count. We got it for 3. Lock that shit up.
God damn.
Yeah. Come on. Good. Let's go. Come on. I'm with you. Come on. Get low. Yeah. That's 4. Come on. 5. Come on. 6. 2 more. Fight. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Good shit. Oh wait, I made him do more than he was supposed to. It's alright. Come on.
The Bills character, bro.
There you got 8. My bad.
Oh, no, come on. Oh, come on.
Yeah, come on. You had what? 3 minutes. You better come on and lock in. Come on. Shit. Don ain't gonna save you right
Not
now.
gonna save me, motherfucker.
Come on. 1. Come on. We got hit 8. Come on. 2. Don't clap at the top. Come on. 3.
Keep your feet on the ground, big dog.
Whoa. Come on. Lock that shit up. Come on. Up. 5. Good money. 6. Come on. Get a little lower for me. Come down a little lower. There you go. Now explode. Okay. Good money. Last one on you.
Got Trinity hold.
Last one on you. You coming up on 4 minutes. 1. Lock that shit up. 2. 3. probably at 4 minutes and 10 seconds by now. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Go forward, come on. You need 5 more, bro. 5 more, come on. 5 more, come on, nigga. Lock that shit out. Lock that shit out. Lock that shit out, come on. Come on, 4 more. 4 more. Come on. Come on, Megan Thee Stallion said you can get in the locker room after this. Come on. Oh yeah, look at that. Come on. Yes. Oh no, we need what? 3? 2? Okay, come on.
10 seconds, big dog.
Come on. Come on. 1.
5.
Good shit, boy.
You showing niggas so much goddamn good fuck.
Show them where we at.
Oh, goddamn. Oh.
4 minutes, 58 seconds. You just that late. But guess what?
What?
You completed that shit. Shout out to you, bro. Big dog. Talk to him.
I'm going to do something.
Oh.